So welcome back. Um, Today, I'd like to discuss a extension to our previous scenario. In earlier one of the scenario, I discussed about the use case where the student fill the forms and the doubt of the student will be transferred to the Google Sheet, right? Extension to that scenario, now what happens is a school uses ChatGPT as a digital teacher. So all the student doubts will be clarified by the ChatGPT and the answer will be emailed to the student, whoever the student the question asked, right? So in the first initial form, we are collecting the student email and his doubt, right? So that doubt we will send a message to the ChatGPT, and the ChatGPT response we will send back to the student as an email. Now, what I'm doing is I'm configuring the ChatGPT component. Click on plus button, go to your type OpenAI, and you will get the OpenAI component and configure the message model because we are sending a prompt as a message to this model, message model. The very first thing, if you see this configuration, right, the left side of the node, these are all the input side, means these are the from these nodes we are getting input to this component, and the right side is output. Once this component got executed, the response will we can see then the output end, right? Now we're configuring the component. The first thing is we'll configure the chat gpt. So while configuring chat gpt, it will ask for the API key. API key is required. So where you can find API keys, you can go to it's troubling me, platform.openai.com. platform platform.openai.com. Here you need to log in. Actually, there is a login button. You're already logged in, so that I'm showing up my, my this thing. Once you log in the search button, click on the API keys. So this will come up. And if you go to API keys, right, and you can create a new secret key and just give the some key name, whatever ABC key or n8n key, n8n test key, something like this. And the project is default project. If you click on secret key, it will create a secret key. Copy this key and come to your n8n and paste over here. That's it. Very simple configuration. Your ChatGPT configuration is done, right? And next thing is, here you need to send an doubt, right? Doubt as a prompt. So where the doubt? The doubt is in the form. The first component where the student send is form, right? Then the doubt, I'm putting a doubt over here. Before that, I'm choosing a ChatGPT model. This is very minor applications. Therefore, I'm choosing the ChatGPT mini model. ChatGPT mini. This is a doubt. And just giving some context to the ChatGPT before asking, question. You are a high school teacher. I'm making ChatGPT as a high school teacher. You are a high school teacher. Please clarify this doubt. Please clarify this doubt. Okay. Now, this is my ChatGPT input. I'm making ChatGPT as a high school teacher and I'm asking the doubt whatever the student asked. Right? Now, this is done. Save it. And finally, once this, I want to execute once entire workflow. Execute the workflow. And this is a question. Venu, roll number is 77, class is 7, email, something like this. And doubt is what is economics, something like that. Economics, right? Now the chat GPT, the Google Sheet got executed, and you can see the Google Sheet, Google Sheet, yeah, Venu, what is economics, that is done. And finally, chat GPT also executed. If you click on the chat GPT model, now the output end, you can see the answer for the what is economics. Of course, economics is the study of the how individuals, business, something like that, right? Okay. Now up to this point, everything good. Now next point is I want to email the answer to the student, right? So click on plus and select the Gmail, send an email, send a message, right? And you need to configure the first credential. It's very simple. I'm already configured so that I'm coming like this for you. Sign in Google and select your Google account. That's it. Next thing is to whom you need to send the message. So in the input end, I don't have anything because the input, the email ID is from the form. When the student fill the form, there we can capture the email ID. But I'm not able to see anything over here. How can I map it? So I'm execute the previous nodes. Once it execute the previous nodes, view data. Some reason the previous nodes I'm not able to execute. So what I'm doing is I'm delete this stuff once. Delete it and save it. I will execute it. Once again. Rupa. What is inflation? See, all the three got executed, right? Now I am adding the Gmail now. Gmail, send a message. Now able to see everything here. See, the one is the top one is the ChatGPT message model, and second is the Google Sheet, and third is the student form. So from the form, I will get the email, and from the message, the ChatGPT responds the message to the email. So the response of the message, this is the content is the my email response, and the subject is some doubt clarification, right? In the message, I'm just what I'm doing is I'm including the question also, so that the student is very happy to see both question answered in the same place. Otherwise, he might be confused for which question this is the response, right? So the question is there in the form. The form, the doubt is a question. The doubt is the question, first doubt. Then I'm giving some, the answer is, and below I'm giving the chat GPT response, right? Therefore, it formed like this. Okay. Now I'm stopping this. I'm saving this. Okay. Now I'm executing the entire workflow once again. Meena, room number is 45, 54, class is 7, Gmail, and what is Newton first law, something like this. Okay, submit. Now let me see the workflow. Google Sheet got executed. Google Sheet Excel executed. ChatGPT executing, and everything is done. All four green ticks. Now let me go to back my email. This is my email. I got this is one new. What is Newton's first law? The answer is a Newton first law answer, right? So now this is very simple and very interesting use case. Please practice this use case by watching this video. It will take hardly 5 minutes. I took more time because I'm explaining. And please, if you're not subscribed, subscribe my channel. And you can share your views. You can share me if you want interest in any other scenarios. Please share that scenario. We will work on that. And please like the video if you like this content. And please share with your friends. So we will meet with new scenarios in the next session. Thank you so much for sticking up to this point.